Hi everyone, in the front of me I've got OPPO Find X2 Lite, and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find system settings. Then let's tap on language and region, and as you can see, this is the list of all currently added languages. We've got only English, so let's tap on add a language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. All you have to do is to find yours and tap on it, and your device will ask you if you really want to change it, if you want to set different language as the default one. So just confirm it with tapping on yes, and within a second your device will apply it, and the whole system, the whole menu will be in the chosen language. If you've got two different languages on this list, you do not have to enter the full list of them. Simply tap on the one you'd like to use and then confirm it. And as you can see, this is how you can quickly switch the languages. If you want to, you can remove the languages from this list also. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on edit. Now you can mark the languages you want to remove and tap on delete. And as you can see, we've got only English left. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.